Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel P. Vaishali's Mathematics classes. My name is Vaishali Fulari. We are continuing our exercise 7.1 from the chapter Coordinate Geometry. This chapter is from the CBSE board. Let's move towards the question number 3. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1 are collinear. First of all, we should understand what is mean by collinear points. The points which fall on the same line, the points are called as the collinear points. Let's write it. Collinear points are the points which fall on the same line. And we have to determine these points are collinear or not. Let's consider these 3 points A, B and the C. If all the points on the same line, if we calculate the distance between AB and if we also calculate the distance between the BC, and if we add both of them, we should get the AC. We are going to solve this question with the help of this concept. Let's find out the distances between AB, BC and also AC using the distance formula. What is the distance formula? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Assume these points as the ABC. Let A be 1, 5, B as 2, 3 and C as minus 2, minus 11. Here, as we are taking first distance as the AB, then AB is equals to under root of, if this is your x1, y1, x2 and y2. x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, which is equals to 2 minus 1 is the 1 square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square. As it is the square, automatically we will get the positive number here. 1 square is the 1 plus minus 2 whole square is the 4. It is the root 5 units. Next, find out the distance of the BC. Here, we will take x1, y1, x2 and y2. Under root of x2 is minus 2, x1 is minus 2 whole square plus y2 is minus 11 minus 3 whole square is equals to root of minus 2 is the minus 4 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14 whole square. Root of 4 square is the 16 plus 14 square is the 196, which is under root of 6 plus 6 is the 12, carry 1, 9, 10 plus 1, 11, 2, 212. Let's find out the factors of this. 2, 1, 2, 2 tens are 20, 1 is remain, 2 6 are 2 5 are 10, 2 3 are 6. We will write this as 2 root of 53 because 2 square we can write it as the 2 because under root of 2 square can be written as the 2 and root of 53 will be as it is. Next, let's find out the distance between the AC. AC is equals to under root of x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 is minus 2 minus x1 is the 1 whole square plus y2 is minus 11 and y1 is minus 5 whole square equals to under root of minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 is minus 16 whole square, which is equals to 9 plus 16 square is the 256. The addition of this is root of 265. Next, we have to add AB and the BC. AB plus BC equals to, what is the AB? Root 5 plus BC, we got the value as 2 root of 53. Here we can't add both of them and we got AC is equals to root of 265. Here both the values are not equal. So we will write AB plus BC is not is equals to AC. Therefore, the given points (1, 5), 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are not collinear points. The fourth question is, check whether 5, minus 2, 6, 4 and 7, minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. What is mean by an isosceles triangle? In a triangle, if any two sides are equal, that kind of the triangle is called as the isosceles triangle, as we know this. Here also, the three vertices of the triangle, it is given to us. We have to find out the distances of these points and finally we have to determine whether it is isosceles or not. Right? Let A is the 5, minus 2, B is the 6, 4 and C is 7, minus 2. Using the distance formula, it is given as under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First, AB is equals to x1, y1, x2 and y2. x2 6 minus 5 whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is the minus 2 whole square, which is equals to under root of 6 minus 5 is the 1 square plus 4 minus into minus will become plus, 4 plus 2 is the 6 square, which is 1 plus 36 root of 37 units. Next, find out the BC distance under root of. Here, let's take x1, y1, x2 and y2. 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. Root of 7 minus 6 is the 1 square of it plus minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 whole square, which is equals to under root of 1 square is the 1 plus minus 6 whole square is the 36 root of 37. Here one can determine that as we got AB is equal to BC equal, here directly one can write it is a isosceles, but we have to also check for the AC. If we also got the same units, then it will not be isosceles. At that time you have to write it as equilateral triangle. For that purpose you have to find out AC. Next, find out the distance between AC. We are using the same formula, x1 y1 x2 y2. 7 minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 minus of again minus 2 again square of it equals to under root of 7 minus 5 is the 2 square plus minus 2 minus into minus is the plus 2 whole square. Here plus 2 minus 2 will become the 0. 2 square is the 4 plus here is the 0. Root of 4 which is the 2. Here as we found AB and BC both are equal. Therefore AB is equal to BC. Therefore the given points 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. We can conclude in this way. Let us solve the fifth question of this exercise. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D as shown in figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. Using the distance formula, find which of them is correct. As in the question it is mentioned that A, B, C, D are the 4 friends. They sat according to these positions. First of all, we have to determine the coordinates of A, B, C, D. Here, as we know, the horizontal lines are the x coordinates and vertical lines are the y coordinates. First, we have to determine the points of the A, B, C, D. Next, and also we have to find which of them is correct. Here both the friends Champa and Chameli, they are arguing. What is the argument between them? Whether the ABCD is a square or the not. What are the properties of a square? AB, BC, CD and DA means all the sides should be equal and also their diagonals also the equal. First, determine the points of the A. A is x value is the 3 and y value is the 4. So 3 comma 4. Next, B is 6 and 7. 6 comma 7. C is 9 comma 4. 9 comma 4 and D is 6 comma 1. Using the distance formula, let's find out AB, BC, CD and DA. AB is equals to under root of, let's take x1, y1, x2, y2. 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square under root of 6 minus 3 is the 3 square plus 7 minus 4 is also 3 square. 3 square is the 9 plus 3 square is the 9. 9 plus 9 which is 18. This is written as 2 into 9. We can write it as 3 root 2. Next, BC under root of x1, y1, x2, y2. 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. 9 minus 6 is the 3 square plus 4 minus 7 is minus 3 square. Root of 9 plus 9 root 18 which is written as 3 root 2. Next, CD, the distance between the point C and the D. x1, y1, x2, y2. 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. 6 minus 9 is minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square and minus 3 whole square we will get the positive. 9 plus 9 which is 18, 3 root 2. Next, DA under root of x1, y1, x2, y2. 6 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square under root of 6 minus 3 is the 3 square plus 1 minus 4 is the minus 3 whole square is equals to 9 plus 9 root of 18 which is 3 root 2. Here all the sides are equal, but why we have to check for the diagonals? Because the square and the rhombus, all the sides are equal in both of the cases. This is the similarity. But what is the difference between them? The diagonals are equal in a square, whereas the diagonals are not equal in a rhombus. Let's find out the diagonals. AC is equals to x1, y1, x2, y2 under root of 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square which is equals to under root of 9 minus 3 is the 6 square plus 4 minus 4 is the 0. We will get root of 36 which is the 6. Next, BD. x1, y1 and x2, y2. 6 minus 6 whole square under root of 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square. 6 minus 6 is the 0 plus 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square which is the 36, 6. Here all the sides are equal. We can write AB is equals to BC is equal to CD is equals to DA. All sides are equal and AC is equals to BD. That is, what are the AC and BD? These are the diagonals. Diagonals are equal. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Who is correct? Champa is correct or Chameli? Champa. Therefore, Champa is correct. In this way, we have completed the question number 3 to the question number 5. The remaining questions we are going to see in my next videos. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.